Today in this video, we are going to be talking about how to consistently gain followers and how not to lose them. But before we do that, today's video is brought to you by IRig Stream Mic Pro. I've made a ton of videos on how to have awesome audio quality when making duets on TikTok or even duets on Instagram Reels. Most people say, my earbuds aren't working or the mic that I'm using has delay, audio lag. I'm gonna show you a mic. It's portable, easy to use, and it's affordable. The IRig Stream Mic Pro audio interface is built into the mic. You can connect instruments, media players, keyboards, mixers, turntables, soundboards, and more with the convenient stereo 3.5mm audio input right on the mic. It's compatible with your iPhone, Android, iMac, and or PC and iPad. So if you find yourself hooking up USB microphones to your laptop or even your iMac, now there's an easier way. You can just connect it straight to your phone, go record wherever you want to record, whether it be at a park, on a bench, while you're walking, and have the quality of a real microphone. It does come with a free software with optional purchases should you choose. Now this would be the perfect mic that you would want to use for doing duets on TikTok, or even your lives on TikTok. When you set your phone on, either a mount or a tripod and you're doing your lives, this provides the single ultra portable solution for music and content creation. Now you have a quality mic that you can use instead of trying to use your earbuds. This is specifically charged right off of your iPhone. That's awesome in itself. It comes with an adjustable high pass filter built in to eliminate rumble and noise. And if you wanted to know the extra platforms that it works for, Instagram Live, Twitter Spaces, TikTok Live, YouTube, Twitch, and even just your phone's camera recording. I'm already using this because now I don't have to plug up my USB mic if I don't want to my iMac, because I do a lot of videos on my phone. A couple of other features: it has a switchable cardioid, omnidirectional, figure 8 and stereo polar patterns for different recording scenarios. So whether you're recording a podcast, interview, instrument, or ensemble, you'll enjoy a crisp, clear, and detailed signal with easily adjustable gain. Hey guys, I'm going to include the link in the description where you can purchase this. Make sure you check it out. You will save some time and have quality videos and content that you will now be making for your different social media platforms. All right. Now on TikTok, I have two different channels. I have a Christian inspirational encouragement channel, and I also have a wholesome family-friendly comedy channel. What I have learned from posting 2 to 3 videos a day versus posting 1 video a week or 1 video every 2 weeks is that the growth can increase and then it could stay steady. And then if you're not posting, you will see followers drop off. TikTok is a platform where you have to stay consistent. They are rewarding creators that are constantly posting, constantly using the different features and the new additions to the platform. You are rewarded by being on the For You page and your followers getting notifications when you are posting on a consistent basis. When you don't, TikTok is the only platform where you will see followers drop off. You will lose followers. So let's just say you had 1,000 followers and you are always posting 2 times a day, maybe 3 times a week, and you decided, I'm gonna take a break and I'm gonna post once this week, once next week. All of a sudden you will see your 1,000 followers go down to 850. I've seen it happen. I get a lot of inboxes on Instagram. It's the only platform that does that, and it's because TikTok wants to reward you for staying on the platform. If you've seen in the news lately, they've been labeled as an addictive app. They've been in the news for creating these addictive, cycles. Now, other platforms are doing the same thing, but TikTok has turned it up a notch. And when you're not posting, you're losing followers. So what does it make you want to do? Oh, I better post more. I'm not about that life. I'm gonna post, consistently, but it's not gonna be every day, all day. I used to mention that, and now, hey, if you post once a day, post once a day. But whatever you do, stay consistent at it. You may be asking, what are the best times to post? When you go to your settings, you will find when all of your followers are mostly online. And for me, it's been around 9 a.m. to 12 noon, till about 5 p.m. and then of course at 9 p.m. And what I can say is I would not post a second video until you see the first video start to die off. You will know that your video is on the For You page after about 20 minutes. After about 20 minutes, you will either see your numbers triple as far as views. And after about 20 minutes, if that hasn't happened, you're just not on the For You page. Now, there is delayed views. You can get delayed exposure or, be on the For You page a day or two later where that video just kicks into the algorithm and something just happens. And most likely what it is someone finally got a notification. They decided to watch your video into its entirety and now it's pushed to the For You page. And I know in my head that 100 to 200 people aren't sitting around saying, let's go unfollow him. He's not doing anything. I know that's not happening because it doesn't happen on the other platforms. It just doesn't happen. So, hey, quick and short video. I just want to let you know if you're seeing followers drop off and maybe you're that person that says, hey, I'm posting all the time and I get notifications of people following me, but when I go to look at my follower count, it hasn't moved. I've heard that before. I've seen that on my second channel on TikTok. So it can be a little, weird and you're trying to figure out what's going on. Ultimately, remember this one thing. When you create videos, create them so that you can share them on your other social media platforms. If TikTok is the only place that you're losing followers and people are unfollowing for whatever reason, those same videos you can share on the other social media platforms. You may have to find a website where you can download it without the watermark, because when it has the watermark on there, it's just not being pushed that much, on Instagram Reels. And now there's notifications that go off and it's Instagram Reels tips. And the tips say, for increased, audience, for a larger audience, try uploading reels that don't have watermarks on them. I've seen that within the last week. All right, guys, hey, comment on this video, short and sweet. Make sure also if you want that quality microphone for your social media platforms, visit the link in the description below. All right, and until next time, I will see you on the next video.